Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the crankshaft pulley on a Honda S2000 when the engine is still in the car. I'm replacing the crankshaft pulley on my car to install a fluid damper harmonic balancer, but you may find this handy for other jobs that involve removing the crankshaft pulley, like replacing the timing chain. This job is all about having the right tools. The first tool you will need is a Honda crankshaft pulley holder or removal tool. This ensures that the crankshaft doesn't rotate while you either loosen or tighten the crankshaft bolt. The crankshaft pulley holder is designed for a 1/2 inch drive, and it is best accompanied by a 1/2 inch breaker bar. In order to break the bolt loose, you will also need another breaker bar. The general consensus is that you'll need a 3/4 inch breaker bar, and that is what I've used with success. If you're using a 3/4 inch breaker bar, but only have 1/2 inch sockets, make sure to grab an adapter. Lastly, the 3/4 inch breaker bar itself likely won't provide enough leverage, so you'll need a pipe to extend the 3/4 inch breaker bar. Having said all that, let's get to work. The first thing you need to do is remove the air intake. If you need help doing that, I'll have videos that'll be linked down below. If you have a 2000 to 2005 model year Honda S2000, you'll need to remove the air control vacuum reservoir behind the engine bay crossbrace. Use a 10mm socket to remove the bolt and set the reservoir aside. Once the intake is removed, you'll need to remove the serpentine belt. Again, if you need help doing that, I'll have videos that'll be linked down below. Make sure the car is in neutral so that the engine will rotate, but keep the parking brake on so the car won't move. Then insert the Honda crankshaft pulley holder with the 1/2 inch breaker bar attached into the crankshaft pulley. Move the breaker bar towards the passenger side fender or shock tower and rest it against some towels or foam pads to protect the car. Then insert the 3/4 inch breaker bar with extension and a 19mm socket in between the cross member and the steering rack until you can seat the socket onto the crankshaft pulley bolt. If the crankshaft pulley bolt has never been removed, it's going to take a ton of force to break it loose. Add a pipe to the 3/4 inch breaker bar and carefully apply force to the breaker bar until the bolt breaks loose. It will make a cracking noise when it breaks free like this. Continue loosening the bolt with the breaker bar until you can remove it with your hands. Remove any remaining tools and tug on the crankshaft pulley to slide it off the crankshaft. Now when you go to install the new crankshaft pulley, you'll need to just align the cutout on the crankshaft pulley with the key on the crankshaft. Before reinstalling the crankshaft pulley bolt, you'll want to clean the bolt, the washer, the pulley surface, and the crankshaft threads. You will also want to lubricate the bolt with fresh engine oil, as pictured. Thread the crankshaft pulley bolt until it is hand tight, and then reinstall the crankshaft pulley holder, but this time orient it on the driver's side of the car. Again, use towels or foam pads to protect the car. Then use a 1/2 inch torque wrench with a 19mm deep socket to torque the crankshaft pulley bolt to 192 foot-pounds. After doing that, you'll need to reinstall the serpentine belt. If you need help doing that, I'll have videos linked down below. If you have a 2000-2005 model year Honda S2000, you'll need to reinstall the air control vacuum reservoir behind the engine bay crossbrace. Use a 10mm socket to reinstall the bolt. The last thing you need to do is reinstall the air intake. Again, if you need help doing that, I'll have videos linked down below. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Otherwise, if you're located in the Bay Area and looking to have some work done in your car, feel free to DM me on Instagram.